Right here we have the paint decontamination toolkit. So this is every tool and accessory you'll need to do a full decon wash on your car before you go into a coating or paint correction. So starting with the first thing up front is the Solo 260. If you've not seen this bottle, it is a battery powered sprayer. It is phenomenal. It atomizes very well. It has a really high flow rate, and we really enjoy it specifically for use with McKees and claying. When you're claying your paint, you need a lot of slip solution for the clay bar, and if you're using a traditional sprayer, you actually find that your wrist gets tired from spraying it so much. This alleviates a lot of those problems. Moving on to the wash mitt, we included the Microfiber Madness Incredi Mitt. So this is the mitt version of the Incredi pad that we like so much. And the reason that we decided to include the mitt version is because you're gonna get into a lot of those tight spaces, you're gonna be cleaning under things, a lot of weird angles, and the risk of you dropping the pad is a little bit higher with the decon wash, so that's why we included this. Additionally, I like the idea of having a dedicated wash mitt for decon washes because the paint's probably gonna be dirtier than it typically would be on a well-maintained car. Next, we have Detail Factory's large synthetic brush. So this is for cleaning emblems, door jambs, tight spaces, your rear view mirrors, things like that. These are also incredibly durable. So even after your decon wash, you could rinse it off and then use it on your regular washes or in your interior, things like that. As far as towels go, we included two in this package. We have our multi-purpose towel for cleaning things like tar, for really dirty areas, grimy things that you wouldn't want to use a nice expensive towel on. These are really a use them once, toss them, or downgrade them to a wheel towel. And then we also included the drying towel 3.0. So if you've never seen this before, it is a dual towel. So it has two sides to it. It's actually two towels that are sewn together, and this thing is absolutely massive. So as you know, when you're doing a decon wash, your paint has no protection on it, and the water really likes to just stick to it and hang out there. So you can't use things like a leaf blower to get the majority of the water off. So you're gonna need a really solid towel to clean it all up with. So there you have it. That's the decontamination toolkit. That's everything that's included in it. If you have any questions about this package, you can let us know in the comments, or you can email support@Obsessed Garage. And I would highly recommend you check out some of the other packages we have, like the full decontamination package or the paint protection packages that go really well with this kit.